Push-ups and planks are two of the most popular exercises of all time, but rarely do you ever see them being executed properly. Right now, I'll give you guys 2 tips on how to take your push-ups and planks to the next level. First things first, let's talk about excessive arching on these 2 lifts. Push-ups and planks are notorious for making these mistakes because they're very easy exercises to butcher. So you always hear stories about people in gym class in high school who say that they did 100 push-ups straight, 200 straight, or a 15-minute plank, 30-minute plank. But rarely were they ever done correctly. They were probably done with their hips sagging, and this is training faulty recruitment movement patterns, and we're not trying to ingrain that. In other words, it's not worth the trade-off to hurt our lower back on a pushing exercise or a core exercise that we're doing to strengthen our core so we don't get lower back pain. So my recommendation for a lot of individuals, just for now, is you could try foot reference push-ups where you have your heels against the wall. This will help you get more hamstring activity so you can control your pelvis a lot more while having soft knees. This will help you maintain a more neutral spine when doing the push-up or when doing the plank. Lastly, on the push-up, you also want to make sure your whole body is coming up and down at the same time and not just the upper body coming up while the lower body is not cooperating. My second tip for better push-ups and planks is related more to novices. So if you're a beginner or you're extremely heavy and you're just intimidated by these exercises, need not worry because there's a way for you to do them. All you're going to need is a pair of bands, or just one band might do. All you have to do is loop it in a power rack, or you can loop it in a Smith machine, somewhere very sturdy, and this will allow you to do the push-ups with a full range of motion, or you could even hold the plank position. So what if you don't have access to a gym? What if you're just a guy who trains at home and you just want to be able to do more push-ups? All you have to do is just loop the band around some kind of pull-up bar or something sturdy on the ceiling, and you could have the same effect. You just put the band on your hip level or lower chest, and now you could get to doing the push-ups or doing the planks. There you guys have it, 2 quick and effective tips to take your push-ups and your planks to the next level. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you benefit from this advice? Do you know anybody who will? Feel free to tag them, and see you guys next time.